Hi everyone, it's Lizzie Freeman, your course leader for student development. So I did a wee video last week and I hope you enjoyed it. These videos are just here to say hello. It's just nice to do it face to face instead of emails, and it won't take long. And I just want to let you know that we all care about you guys. We know it's a busy time and you're juggling a lot. And I just want to remind you about some things that you might be interested in as well. Okay, but I just want to start this little video off with a little reading from a book. It's called The Boy, the Mole, the Fox and the Horse. And if you're a level 4 student, we gave out free copies of this during your induction week. Some of you received them, some of you didn't. It was a bit tricky because of all the regulations, but we still have the books, so we hope to get them to you at some point if anybody's not got them. But I do know there's a really good bunch of you that have it, and it's also available online. So I'll resend out the video links to you all, because it might be nice for you to look at it. So the video shows you what it's about, and it's a really lovely book. Okay, so I'm just going to read out a little bit. So this page, which is here, okay, I'm just going to read that out to you because I thought it was really nice. So the boy says, the mole says, "I've learned how to be in the present." How? Asked the boy. The mole said, "I find it a quiet spot and just shut my eyes and breathe." The boy said, "That's good. And then?" And the mole said, "Then I focus." "What do you focus on?" said the boy. And the mole said, "Cake." So I just thought you might like this little bit of the book because it makes me smile. The mole really loves cake, but also finding a wee space to yourself, either indoors or outside, just when you need to calm down or refocus, recenter. I think it's really important sometimes. I've certainly had to do it in the past week because it's been really busy. So I've been outside and just sitting and letting my face feel the wind, and it's been really helpful. So if you can, try and do that. It really helps, just getting some perspective and zoning into yourself. Okay, so now there's just some other little reminders about some events that are coming up, so I hope this is useful. So for ease and clarity, I'm just going to show you a couple of slides, and then we'll come back and I'll just say goodbye. Okay, so not long. Okay, so I just want to remind you of the Psychology Social that's happening this Thursday the 18th of February, and it's between 6 and 7 p.m. This time was chosen based on the doodle polls that I got back from you, so I do hope it's a good time for most of you. We will have some more socials and we'll make them different times, different days, to make sure that, we are meeting everybody's needs. So I've sent these slides around through the Psychology Organisation site, so look for that email in your email list. But the Zoom link here is there. I'll also put it in the email with this video as well. So just click on the Zoom, join us. We're going to have lots of things we're going to do. We're going to be joined by all levels and also some students from Oldham University as well. So it's going to be a really good chance for you to connect with people on your course and get chatting. We're going to have on some options for online team games, but also maybe scavenger hunt. But really, we can leave it open. We're going to ask you and see what you want to do. But I'm really looking forward to seeing you all there and having a chat. We'll go into breakout rooms so that it's a bit more cozy. So don't be alarmed if you're a bit shy. Do come along and connect with other people. I also just wanted to just remind you that we have peer advisors in our psychology course. And the peer advisor scheme is developed by students for students, and they're doing a really wonderful job. They've got this fantastic Instagram account, so please look for that on your Instagram, and it's really, really useful. They've shared lots of useful material around loneliness, for example. They've got Motivation Monday, Tuesday topics, Wednesday, Wellbeing Wednesday, and lots of other things as well. So it's really, really, really useful and nice, easy, simple snapshots of information, so it's not too much. The peer advisor scheme does lots of other things as well. If you're interested in becoming a peer advisor, then contact the peer advisor coordinator, Rachel Taylor, down here at the bottom. But also, if you want to chat to any peer advisors or find out more information, please contact Rachel Taylor. The information about peer advisors are in your Adapt Blackboard site under the Peer Advisor Support and Capitals section. So please have a look, contact me or contact Rachel about any information. Okay. So here's just an example of what the Instagram looks like from our SHU site, peer advisors, and it allows you options to go in and get some more information. Not everything's on well-being necessarily. Like I said, there's Topic Tuesday, and there is Motivational Monday, and this is just what they recently put up for their Wellbeing Wednesday. Okay, so really cool stuff there. Right, so there's your little update. I hope that was useful. Nice to see you, and I really hope you're well. Get in touch if you need anything. Okay, take care guys. Have a good week. Bye!